Here's a 2018 Audi A6. Powerful performance is in Audi's DNA, and it has never been more evident than in this commanding and efficient A6. Navigation and keyless ignition and entry are standard on all 2018s. It's well equipped with the features you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, front heated leather bucket seats, refrigerated box located in the glove box, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, auto shift manual transmission, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, dual zone climate control, front wheel drive, auto dimming rear view mirror, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. This A6 is crafted with precision, appointed luxuriously, and built with performance in mind. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.